Good morning, everyone. We're going to create a lead using Facebook lead forms. You're going to go to Publishing Tools. Again, keep in mind all these advanced features are browser only. You can't do any of this stuff from your mobile phone. So you go to Publishing Tools on your page, and you're going to go to your lead ads forms. Here, the first time ever you do this, you need to set up your leads. So I connected mine to my CRM. I have many CRMs, but Zoho is the one that is connected here. This takes a little while. I am not going to show you how to do this. Matter of fact, you do not need to do this in order to take benefit of leads on Facebook. You can download it as just a standard file and bring it into a spreadsheet, no problem. But if you do want to connect it with your CRM, you need to go through this step-by-step process first. It's not that difficult. It takes about 30 minutes. All right, so let me go to my forms library. Here's one, and here's where you're going to create a new forms library. Not a new forms library. You're going to create a lead form. I'm going to duplicate just to save some time. And you're going to have two sections, a content and a settings. And then I'm just going to say, so I got to give it a title. The intro, the image that you see here, that's a 1200 by 628 pixels, so you really do have to get that right. And then you just write out what you want what you want it to say. This is the intro. This is what they see when they click on it on their phone. As you can see, this is kind of showing you what it looks like on a phone, not on a desktop. When they click on it, as with most things in life, compelling reason to act is when our pain level exceeds our procrastination thresholds. In my experience, creating addictive customer experiences is the secret sauce that the upper echelon of sales professionals use in their highly profitable business practices. Email us if you want to get the workbook. So here I'm only asking for your name and your email. However, if you'll notice this, under questions, you can certainly ask more. You can ask for not just their full name and email. You can ask for first name. If you got a particular way that your CRM likes to do things, you can bring in all of these fields that are available to you, standard from Facebook. Keep in mind, the more questions that we ask anybody, the less likely they are to answer them. So keeping it easy is very, very important. We tend to be arrogant when we think, oh, wouldn't that be, oh yeah, let's ask them to go ahead and put their first name separate than their last name. Oh, of course they're going to give us their country. Oh, of course they're going to give us their zip code. No, they're not. Who's got time for that? So ask them to give you the name, email, if you really do need something else, but the fewer questions that you ask them, the better, okay? You can even add custom questions here. Your privacy policy is required. I put this extra link text, we never spam, ever, just to make sure, because now you can't say that if you do. That's why this link to your URL where your privacy policy is, it's required. It has to be what your privacy policy really is. If you are planning on spamming people, you can't say that. Not even legally can you say that. Keep that in mind. Whatever your privacy policy is, it is. Most people don't read it, but if you're planning on selling people's information, if you're planning on spamming them with your MailChimp or your Constant Contact, you got to let them know. That's just the way it is, whether you like it or not. And then you can also see there's a thank you screen. Mine says, thanks, you're all set. Now I tell you what's going to happen. The workbook will be emailed to you within a few days. In the meantime, you can read about the 5 types of pain levels that need to be addressed when designing a customer experience. And then there's the link for the read article. When you're done, you just simply hit finish, save. And it is there. That's all it is.